Alright, here's my Macintosh LC III. I'm about to power it up and test the, what I think is a composite video input card. So we're about to find out. Turn on the external drive, transfer the software. I need to use this because the floppy drive in this thing don't work. I plan to use it from this, but I don't feel like pulling it out right now. So that's the monitor. I'm going to go ahead and switch it over using an adapter. Forgot to plug the mouse in. Just going to turn it off. You don't want to plug in these ADB devices with the computer still on. I've heard of people blowing fuses doing that. Right. Now we can do this. Despite its age, it appears to be working pretty well right now. It's freaking sharp on this monitor. This is a Gateway VX700 Trinitron display. Here's the stuff that boots up on this LC3. I haven't changed it since I got it. I'm not sure what that extension's for. Don't think there's any drivers set up for it. I haven't really looked that hard, but I found a program called Screenplay, and I think this card, add-in card, is a what's it called? SuperMac VideoSpigot. It's a weird name, but is this freaking external drive going to show up? Screenplay. There's a pain in the butt looking for this. Appears to be the last version they made too, so luckily it should support video. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I see something. I didn't get any kind of error. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in this EN64. As soon as I can find a damn AV cable to it. Alright, plug that bad boy in here. Turn on the N64. Well, hot damn. Look at that shit. Oh man, look at that 256 color dithering. It actually doesn't look bad. Freaking play my Zelda on this thing. No audio input because, hell no. I'm not gonna get it. There's only a microphone input on this Macintosh. I'm not sure what you do to. There's no line in. Why do my saves keep disappearing? I copied this file. Behold. Some latency like on this. But actually not that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and super zoomed out, but I'm going to go ahead and move this. I'm not really detecting any latencies. If I wanted to play my Zelda game on this, I could. Well, anyway, it's confirmed. That's a VideoSpigot composite input video capture card.